Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This is a great opportunity for anyone who loves being near the ocean. Beautiful 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, family house located 5 minutes from Elsha, 2 minutes from Fort Clarence, and walking distance to the Boardwalk Beach. This spacious family home boasts large kitchen with modern finishes, lots of natural lights, large balconies off the master and secondary upstairs bedroom, wonderful built-in home office decor, natural wood closets in all bedrooms, large entertainment area in the back and ample parking space for all occupants. The land area of this house is 5,985 square feet. Make this your dream home today. Other features includes ceramic tile, water heater, grilled, jetted bathtub, main level entry, fully walled, easy access, family oriented, low maintenance yard, quiet area, road paved, level lot, and pets are allowed. The current price of this house is Jamaican 36 million or US $245,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.